Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we have discussed section A problems of this question paper. Now in this video, we will discuss section B problems. Let's see section B problems. In section B, the 21st question is solve the following system of equations algebraically. 30x plus 44y is equals to 10. 40x plus 55y is equals to 13. So we have to solve this by algebraically. So algebraically means we have to solve whether it is by elimination method or substitution method. So let's write what is given. 30x plus 44y is equals to 10. Let this equation 1. Second equation is 40x plus 54y is equals to 13. So let us solve it by elimination method. Let us eliminate x. To eliminate x, we have to make the coefficients of x equal. So what are the coefficients of x here? 30 and 40. What is the least common multiple of 30 and 40? 10 3s are 10 4s are. Now the least common multiple of this will be equals to 120. So we have to make the coefficient of x equals to 120. Let us make. So to make coefficient of x equal, equation 1 we have to multiply with 4. So equation 1 multiply with 4 on both the sides. 4 of 30x plus 44y is equals to 10. Now this will give us 4 into 30x 120x, 4 into 44 4 for the 16 176 176y is equals to 4 into 10 40. So let this equation 3. Now we have to multiply, sorry, this is equation 1, right? Next equation 2 we have to multiply with equation 2 we have to multiply with 3. So 3 of 40x plus 55y is equals to 13. So this will give us 30 into 40x 120x plus 3 into 40x 120x plus 3 into 55y. So it is equals to 165y is equals to 3 into 13 39. So let this equation 4. Now from equation 3 and 4 let's subtract. From equations 3 and 4, equation 3 is 120x plus 176y is equals to 40. Under that, write second, what is it, fourth equation. 120x plus 165y is equals to 39. Now subtraction, let's change the symbols. This plus 120 will become minus 120, plus 165 becomes minus, and this will become minus 9. Now add 120x, this minus 120x gets cancelled. Next 176y, 165y minus. So how much it will be? 11, right? Now it is equals to 11y is equals to 40 minus 39. It is equals to 1. Send 11 to the right side. Now y is equals to 1 by 11. So to get the x value, let's substitute in equation 1. From equation 1, so what is equation 1? 30x plus 44y is equals to 10, right? So this is the equation 1. So let's substitute y value 1 by 11. 30x plus 44 into y value is 1 by 11 is equals to 10. Here cancellation is possible. 11 ones are 11 fours are. Now the equation becomes 30x plus 4 is equals to 10. Send 4 to the right side. So if you send 4 to the right side, it becomes 30x is equals to 10 minus 4. 30x is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. Send 30 to the right side. Now x is equals to 6 by 30. Here the cancellation is possible. 6 ones are 6 fives are. Now the x value will be equals to 1 by 5. So this is the y value. So therefore the solution is x comma y. So x is 1 by 5, y is 1 by 11. So this is the solution for the given pair of linear equations in two variables. 22nd equation is a 1.5 meters tall boy is walking away from the base of lamp post which is 12 meters high at the speed of 2.5 meters per second. Find the length of his shadow after 3 seconds. We have to find the length of his shadow after 3 seconds. So the boy height is given and he is walking from the base of lamppost. The lamppost height is given as 12 meters high and the speed of walking is 12.5 meters per second. After walking 3 seconds, what will be the length of his shadow? That's what we have to find. So let's draw the diagram. So here AB is the lamppost. Which is 12 meters high. So it is given that A boy of 1.2 meters tall walking away from the base of the lamp post, which is 12 meters high at the rate of 12.5 meters per second. So 2.5 meters per second. So the boy is walking away from the base of the lamp post. So let's draw the, yes. So for example, so he is the boy. So he is the boy walking away from the base of the lamp post. Let us think he is walking away from the lamp post 3 seconds. Yes, for example, he reached this point after 3 seconds of walking. So what is the distance walked by this boy in 2.5 meters? Sorry, in 3 seconds at the rate of 2.5 meters per second. So distance walked in 3 seconds. So distance is speed into time, right? Speed into time. Here, speed is 2.5 meters per second and he walked 3 seconds. Now this will be equals to 7.5 meters. So the BE distance is 7.5 meters. Lamppost already height is 12 meters, right? And the height of the boy DE is given as 1.5 meters. So now we have to find the length of shadow of boy, which is EC here. Here EC is the length of the shadow of the boy. So let's compare the triangle ABC, triangle DEC. So in triangle ABC, triangle DEC, let's compare the triangles. In triangle ABC and in triangle DEC, angle ABC is equals to angle DEC because both are equals to 90 degrees. Both lamppost and the boy is standing on the ground. So therefore, both are equals to 90 degrees. So this one, angle BEC, angle at B, angle DEC, angle at E, both are equals to 90 degrees. And angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle C is equals to angle C. It is common in both the triangles. Angle C is equals to angle C because it is common in both the triangles. Therefore, both these triangles are similar by AA similarity. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. So this is by angle similarity. Two angles of first triangle are equal to two angles of second triangle. So when the triangles are similar, then we know that corresponding sides ratio is same. What I mean is here, AB side corresponds to DE side, BC side corresponds to EC side, and AC side corresponds to DC side. So let's write the ratio of corresponding sides. AB by DE is equals to BC by EC is equals to AC by DC. Let's substitute the values. So here AB is 12, D is 1.5. So BC, we don't know BC, but up to B it is 7.5. Let us think that AC X. Let us think EC is X. Okay. So let's substitute the values. AB is 12, D is 1.5, BC is 7.5 plus X, and EC is X. Here we have thought let EC is equals to X. So now this is enough to solve to find X value, that is EC. So 12 by this 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10 is equals to 7.5 plus X by X. So this 15 by 10 will gets reversed reciprocal. Now this will be equals to 12 into 10 by 15 is equals to 7.5 plus X by X. So here cancellation is possible with 3 table. 3 4s are 3 5s are. So now it will be equals to 4 into 10 40 by 5 is equals to 7.5 plus X by X. Again cancellation is possible. 5 ones are 5 8s are. Now X equals to 7.5, sorry, 8 is equals to 7.5 plus X by X. Bring X left side, it becomes 8 into X. 8X is equals to 7.5 plus X. Bring that right side X to the left side. 8X minus X is equals to 7.5. 8X 8X minus X, it is 7X. 7X is equals to 7.5. Send 7 to the right side. Now X is equals to 7.5 by 7. So what do we get if we divide 7.5 with 7? 7 1 is 7. 0 is the remainder. If you put point, you will get 5. 7 0 0. Now 5 and 0. 7 sevens are 49. So approximately you will get X is equals to 1.07 meters. So this is the length of boy's shadow. So therefore length of boy's shadow 1.07 meters. Now 22nd B question is, in parallelogram ABCD, side AD is produced to point E and BE intersects CD at F. Prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangles CFB. So let's prove it. So what it is given? So it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. AD is produced to point E. ABCD. So AD is produced to up to E, right? So it is given that AD is produced to point E and BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. BE, B to E. So B intersects CD at F. So this is the given. Let's write what is given first. So it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram first. So we have to prove that what we have to prove, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Let's prove it. First of all, identify the triangles. Where is the triangle ABE? ABE. So this one, triangle ABE. So this triangle and CFB. CFB. Yes. In triangle ABE and in triangle CFB. So anglet A in triangle ABE, anglet B in triangle CFB, they are alternative interior angles. Here, so this is the A line and this is the BC line. So both are parallel, right? So now this is BE line. So angle E is here, angle B is here. So these two angles are alternative interior angles. So how can we write? Angle AEB or BEA. Angle BEA in triangle ABE is equals to angle CBF in triangle CFB. So both are alternative interior angles. Next, anglet B in triangle ABE. So this one, and anglet F in triangle CFB, both are alternative interior angles. So here AB, this is the AB line and this is the DC line, and this is the BF line. So BF line, so this is the BF line, right? So these two lines are parallel, AB parallel to DC, and BF is a transversal. So anglet B and anglet F are alternative interior angles. So therefore angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. So both are alternative interior angles. So we can write it as angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. So there are also alternative interior angles. So by angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. Therefore we can write, therefore triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by angle similarity. Hence proved. Now 23rd question. So what is the 23rd question? Find the coordinates of point C which lies on AB produced such that AC is equals to 2BC. So the point C lies on AB produced such that AC is equals to 2BC. So we where coordinates of point A and B are, so coordinates of A and B are given. So A coordinates are -1 comma 7 and B coordinates are 4 comma -3 respectively. So we have to find the coordinates of C which lies on the line segment AB produced. So let's draw a line. So this is the AB line segment. Now this AB is extended up to C. This is extended up to C. Such that AC is 2 times of BC. So A to C is 2 times of BC. So what it is given here? So it is given that A to C is 2 times of BC. Here A coordinates are given. What are the A coordinates? A coordinates are -1 comma 7, and B coordinates are given. B coordinates are 4 comma minus 3, and we have to find the coordinates of C. So AC is double of BC. So what is required to find? We have to find the coordinates of C. So what it is given? AC is equals to 2 times of BC. So this A to C is 2 times of BC, means this BC is the midpoint of AC. So as AC is 2 times of BC, then B is the midpoint of AC. So here B divides AC in the ratio of 1:1. That means this B is the midpoint of AC. So B is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, we can apply the midpoint formula to find the AC. So let us give, so this is x1 and y1. Now this is x and y. Next this one x2 y2. So let's apply the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint formula? Bx comma y will be equals to average of x coordinates x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. So it is equals to x1 plus x2. What is x1 here and what is x2 here? X1 is minus 1 and x2 we don't know. Minus 1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 y2. So what is y1 here? Y1 is 7 and y2 we don't know. So 7 plus y2 by 2. Now B coordinates are already given. What are the B coordinates? 4 comma minus 3. So 4 comma, sorry, it is 4 comma minus 4 comma 3. 4 comma minus 3. So that means this one is equals to 4 and this one is equals to this one. So what you can write here? You can write that minus 1 plus x2 by 2 is equals to 4 and 7 plus y2 by 2 is equals to minus 3. So from that we can find x value, y as x2 value, y2 value. Send 2 to the right side becomes minus 1 plus x2, 2 into 4 8. Send minus 1 to the right side. Now x2 is equals to 8 plus 1. Now x2 is equals to 9. Now here right side, send 2 to the right side. 7 plus y2, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Send this plus 7 to the right side. Now y2 is equals to minus 6 minus 7. Now y2 will be equals to minus 13. So here the C coordinates are, therefore the point C coordinates are 9 comma minus 13. So this is the solution.